In this tutorial I will show you how to delete saved passwords in Google Chrome on your mobile device. First, open up the Google Chrome. Then tap on these three little dots at the bottom right corner. After that, tap Settings. Tap Password Manager. It will use Face ID or a passcode to unlock. Tap on the account where you want to delete the password. And then tap Edit at the top right. And then simply tap Delete Password. You can also delete all of the saved passwords at once. You can tap Edit at the bottom right. Tap and select the passwords that you want to delete. After that, tap Delete at the bottom left. So that is how you can delete saved passwords in Google Chrome.